Hello and welcome to Claude Code course. This is brought to you by LLM Tech Stories. This is episode number 2 wherein we will look at how to create an account with Claude. So basically for Claude Code the prerequisite is that you need to have a Claude account and also a pro subscription. So let's look at the first step, Claude account, how to create a Claude account. So first we need to go to this hyperlink. So I'll be sharing the hyperlinks in the description. So we need to go to this hyperlink, claude.ai. So claude.ai. So once you go to claude.ai, it is going to show this login page here. So you can continue with Google and basically you can create a new account. So once you have created a new account, what will basically happen is you will be shown a welcome screen which is shown for me for my account. So this is an example of a welcome screen. So now that we have completed step number 1, which is basically creating a Claude account, now we need to go to the second step, which is getting pro subscription. So for this I have created a bookmark and I will actually share this link as well. So we need to go to Claude pricing. So in Claude pricing, it basically lists what all pricing is available in Claude, what all different subscription plans are available in Claude. So this is the first subscription which is free and it has few facilities provided here, few capabilities, and this is the pro plan uh, in, in in which you can actually access Claude Code from your terminal. And we will look into pro mode. So using pro mode, you can actually access Claude Code. So you need to basically click this button, try Claude. It'll take you to your account and it'll provide the payment options wherein you can provide the payment and then the pro mode will get activated. So in this episode, we have looked at two steps, which is creating a new Claude account and then also enabling pro subscription so that you can access Claude Code. Thank you for watching